24 kgs I have lost right now, thanks to you, Shreyas. And
so guys, we have Swaroop on this call today. So he will, I'll be having an interaction with him over this video call, just to clear out and help you out with the journey that he has gone through. So Swaroop, can you introduce yourself first?
First of all, hi Shreyas, hello everyone. My name is Swaroop and I'm working in IT field. And I've sorted help from Shreyas on my healthy weight loss journey and to get into better shape. So he's been helping me out. Yes, yes.
Yeah, good to hear that, Swaroop. So Swaroop, from how long have you been working with me closely on this healthy weight loss program for your journey of health and fitness? Can you mention a couple of things, like you had also a gap in between, right? You can also mention the number of months where you had gap.
Sure. See, Shreyas and me, we go way back to the college, and I did not, recently when I gone through is one of his FP, that is how I came to know that he's into some healthy lifestyle, and I was looking into some sort of similar thing. Finally, I summoned up the courage and I approached him, and he started helping me, and I think started working together, started helping me out from regarding the food plan from Feb of the 2020. And from Feb till April, I was with the plan. I started losing weight because of the Corona lockdown and other stuff. I had to go off and for a couple of months, I would say. From April till I would say again till September. It's quite a long month, but still. And since September, beginning of September, I approached Shreyas again saying that this is what has happened to me, and he was like, yeah, this thing sort of happens, and he started guiding me again. From September, I picked it up. I think when I started the program in the beginning on Feb, I would say I was around 98 kgs, and right now I would say I am at 74. I would say so close to 24 kgs I have lost right now, thanks to you, Shreyas, and that would be my journey. Even though I was on. Yeah. Thanks to you again. A big thanks to you.
You're welcome, Swaroop. In fact, I would like to give the credit to you to follow the program religiously, and I have been receiving updates from you regularly, which has been kind of helping me to keep you on track and also track your progress very easily. So I would like to give the credit to you, Swaroop. So any other health benefits, Swaroop, that you have been able to observe in these days? Because see, there was a gap in between, and you had also lost weight, like close to 24 kgs. So any other health benefits that you have received till now?
Apart from increased energy levels and other things, I used to have alopecia that has to an extent gone down and stopped spreading. Other than that, no joint pains, and in general, I feel more light and energetic in entire day. Before I was feeling lethargic or sleepy in the afternoon and stuff like that. Now I don't get such things. Yeah.
It's really good thing that we have been able to work together, and your health has been improved a lot. So many people also think that they have a busy schedule and they will not be able to start on the program, or they have few things to take care of. They are not able to start anything new of that sort. So is it something like you have a very easy going life, a rosy life where you have all the time in this world and you have all the energy to do everything? Is it so, or is your schedule also busy and hectic?
See, as I said myself, I'm a part of IT person.
Correct.
And I would say it's not an easy lifestyle because pressure comes up, deadline moves forward, and all the things would be there. Still, I would say initially I was feeling a bit hectic, as in a little. Once I got used to it, it takes same time as what we spend on other things. In fact, we get more time as we tend to get more energetic, and right now I'm doing more work than what I usually used to do before. Concentrate better and stuff like that. So there's no such thing as weak or I don't have time. That would be all it's sort of mental
barrier you want
mindset, I would say.
Okay, that's really great. So your manager is also happy with your progress.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing. So next question that I receive from most people is, being a single, I cannot prepare my own meals. I'll not be able to do it on my own. I need some assistance, but without taking assistance, I am not sure how I'll be able to continue on the program or something like that. So you are also single, and yes, you are getting married going forward. So what is your experience or take on it? So,
See, being a single person, mostly I used to eat out. That was my lifestyle. So after joining the program, I started cooking. I used to cook once in a while, but I started cooking myself, and I used to get recipes from Swasthya, Telegram, and FB page. So that is how I started exploring and cooking now. But right now, I'm at a place where I have observed that it won't take much of a time, because whatever you cook or do regular food, that the same thing we'll do here as well. So I don't find it difficult at all. In fact, I try enjoying more tasty food, and I don't find it taste difference as well. So yeah, I would say that again depends on the mindset of the people and their will to commitment to the program, I would say. Yeah.
that's really great. So any message that you, this is the last question actually. So any message that you would want to give to people who are on the program or who really wants to start off from this 2021 January? So this new year is being like 2020 has been a tough phase for most of them, right? So 2021 will be a good phase for everyone. So any message or tip that you would want to give everyone?
Yeah. So my personal experience, I do have tried different weight loss programs and different diets. In the end, always you tend to bounce back, and it has one or the other side effects in the end.
Correct.
But this is the one program where I found, in fact, my health got improved. Along with that, as a bonus, I lost weight as well. This
really
program
great.
is designed. Yeah, this program is designed for your health benefit, and I would say this is one of the healthy weight loss programs which I have come across, and that really helped me a lot. So I would say, give it a try and see. You will feel yourself, the healthy way, and you feel better about yourself as well. That's what I would say to anyone who is looking into it.
Yeah, that's really great, Swaroop, to have a call with you. So thank you for being on this call and helping other people to understand what actually we try to do. Thank you so much, Swaroop, for being on the call.
Thank you, Stacks.